Hi, this is John Violante with Toro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and associate a new device to our base station. First, we're going to double check to make sure we have a battery installed in our controller. We do. Nice and secure. We're going to replace the weatherproof cap, nice and snug. Then we'll go to our app. Please remember to have Bluetooth turned on your device before you get started. I'm going to hit the plus sign. Then we're going to look for the Tempest Ag CT for controller. We'll click on that. Then we're going to match the part number on the back of the controller to the number on the screen. In our case, it's the second one down. Once that comes up, we're going to click on it. Then we're going to hit the edit button on the top right hand side. We're going to rename ours something simple. In this case, it'll be Farm CT for controller 1. Hit change. Then we'll check the location. It's automatically geotagged to our map. We verify it. We'll go back. Then we go straight down to the bottom of the screen. Under connectivity, we'll hit remote access. Farm 4G, which is our base station, will transmit. We'll check to see that the base station and the controller are within range. We'll hit the red button. It's verified. We'll go back. We'll check our base station. There it is. You'll notice that the battery icon is green, means it's fully charged. On the left, you'll see a green arrow, and it shows that it just communicated with our base station. It's that simple. For more information, visit toro.com/tempest-ag. Thank you.